Alright, tubers, I'm just gonna do my normal little videos. It's a pain in the ass doing those vlog things. It's a pain in the butt. So, as you can see, it's a windy day. So we're here to win. I'm probably gonna do like a little cold start video. What I'm gonna do is, we're gonna see how the journey starts, and we're gonna see how the truck starts. So just do a little cold start on the two vehicles and see if they start. And guess who just came? Cristo! What are you up to? Huh? What are you up to? Let's do a cold start. Last time at work, Journey had a little hard time starting. The battery's still good. That's still good. At least we got power. Oh my God, Journey. Yes, just keep her running to get the engine moving, you know? Good old thing. Keep the window up a bit, or down where I can do that. Yes, do the truck now. Oh, forgot the, oh, whatever. There's the top doing that for you. As you can see, that push stuff is holding up pretty good there. Oh, did I forget them? That's a good sign. Starts right up. Not sure how long she was sitting here. She started right up, tuber. So I'll see you on this video. So that's it right now, tubers. Please comment on this video and please subscribe to my channel. All right, see you, tubers.